to my countrymen, just to give you the current situation. I am about to land sa Hague. Galing ako Dubai. Stopover for last. It's a long haul, it's a long flight. Okay ako. Do not worry. And I think this is something to do with the yung law and order noon. At sinasabi ko naman sa mga pulis, military na trabaho kayo at ako ang managot. So ito na nga,